Well, we're galloping along now. Might be a little low on smoke, I'm not sure. I've cut it down to 4.5 volts. This is the chuff sound. As you come into the station, that's what you hear. Then as you pick up, the cadence increases, and there's a point where the speaker and the controls just can't handle it. And it's just a scream, more or less. But I want you to hear the whistle, or the steam whistle. And of course there's a bell. As soon as I get this to cooperate, there's a bell. There we go. Phones aren't notorious for having great speakers, but I hope you can hear that. And you can see the fire, kinda, and the coals are burning. Taillights are on. And then I'm going to hit the reverse button. Now first, as you know, the machine goes through neutral, so it stops. And there's the hissing noise. It's got to blow off some steam, and there's a little bit of smoke still coming out. Now I'm going to put it in gear for reverse. Then you see that light lights up, and it tells you you're in reverse. When you're backing up, you like to tell people you're backing up. That's it. That's where I'm at. I'm going to be checking the voltage on the power regulator, making sure you got enough smoke. I'm going to put some more smoke in. It may be running low. I've been doing a lot of tests, and my wife's been moaning about all the smoke upstairs. I don't know. I guess it gets up through the floor. In any case, we're close, okay? The tender, I think, is pretty much there. I got the screws in it, so I hope it is. Now I'm going to fit the headlight. I got a off-white, antique-looking white LED, so it doesn't look like a brand new diesel. And I've got that fitted, and I've got to wire it to the motor so that when the motor is going forward, the light's on. And then I can button that all up. May not do the brass piping on the firewall. I'm just a little tired today. We'll just see. And then the last thing I'll do is polish up the linkage. Okay, that's it for now. Later.